Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of this mini makeover in this small deluxe room. Alright, so it's called deluxe room because simple fact, I'm going to make it look like money. M-O-N-E-Y, money. So, saying that, I know I should have had this done like 4 days ago, but hey, calm down. I got you. So I went out and picked up some more little items like another little pillow and this little mirror you're gonna see when I put in here, and some other little knickknacks, but they're really simple and cheap. Again, this is under $300 for the small deluxe room. So on top of that, I'm just gonna show you like a little overhaul of how the room looks, and then I'm gonna speed this video up so you're gonna see how I put this room together, and then at the end I'm gonna let you know, after I calculate all the receipts, how much I actually spent. Because I guarantee you it's under $300. Some stuff is from the thrift. Some stuff is from like your parents' house. Some stuff is some old stuff that you had you didn't know you could use again. Some stuff was brand new on clearance. You don't know about clearance? You better watch me. I'll get you hooked up on clearance and coupons. You know all about that. But this is how the room looks. And remember the bed that we were talking about right there? Boop. That's the box that came in. That's the bed. And it's supposed to take 72 hours. Believe me or not, I have stuff on here that's a little bit heavy, and this bed is worth it. I sat on it today, and oh my god, I was like, whew, it took a load off my back. So this is the room. That's the bed. Bed was only $160, free shipping. That's all the stuff we're gonna make up the bed. If you looked at part 2 of the video, you know. This is just some extra stuff. This right here is the mirror that I'm gonna show you that I found at Christmas tree. If you don't have a Christmas tree, it's just like Hobby Lobby or Joy and Fabric. And then there's some other stuff, and I'm just gonna clean up, and as I go, I'm gonna show you how this bed is gonna be looking. So, all right, y'all, just in a few. Let's get this party started. So that came out real cute. So that's the bed, day bed couch sofa that we're calling it. Now I'm just going to clean the mirror off, add it in here, and then I am going to sweep, mop, and dust. And y'all, the room is going to be complete. But I have to tell you one thing. I did not get the hook to the chandelier. So pretty much I'm gonna have to show you that in the clip or just add it to here, or maybe I just won't put it in here at all because I have changed my mind. But when I get done, this deluxe room is gonna look beautiful. It's a little warm here too. But continue watching. Let's finish this up. Over there, I like it. Alright, there's the rug and there's the bed. Well, it's not a bed, it's a couch. And last but not least, to keep it fresh, this is not sponsored at all, but I'm gonna do some snuggles because I really love it. And the only thing I was not able to hang up or do today, I know you're like, why are you so close? Because listen, it's a struggle. But to put this up in the room, only reason why, camera lopsided, come on. Only reason why I was not able to put this up in the room because I actually do not have the hook for it. I thought I was going to get the hook to put it up in the room, but clearly I didn't because it goes with the bohemian of the rug. But besides that, I'm going to do that, and later on, like in the video, if you see me in this room talking or giving you a tour again, I'm going to show you, point it out in the video. I mean, it's not a big deal, but it's really cute. I told you how much the price was. And you need to watch part 1 if you want to know the low down on clearance. The low down on clearance. So anywho, we're going to spray for breeze, and I'm going to give you the last view of the room. And you're going to be like, oh my God, I need to go clearance shopping. Yes, you do. So, come on. Alright guys, the room is done. The room is done. The roof is on fire. No, it's not. Please don't let the roof be on fire. But I'm just going to show you the room in 3-4 different angles. And I'm telling you, this was easy, cheap budget. If you never order a mattress from Wayfair or anybody online, this was a good idea. It was cheap and expensive, and it's good quality for now. I mean, I had no couple people sleep on it, but I laid on it for about an hour and it was really great, good. And now I'm just gonna show you what it looked like, baby. Whoop whoop. So yeah, that's really cute. I like it. It looks like a sofa. I'm gonna add some more pillows eventually when I find the color and the decor. And then this is the rug that started or inspired the whole thing. So let me just get from that you can see. We have a couple different tones. But yeah, this is the rug that started the whole masterpiece of just, let's deck out the room. Okay. Hope you get a good view. And I just threw some curtains up there that I had. That mirror is bomb banging. And this is the room, y'all. Hope you like it. And if you do, let me know. Yeah, and these are the picture frames I was telling you about from Ikea. I don't know if you can really see them or not. Yeah. From Ikea, I hung up on the walls just to go with the cord I was telling you about. Really cute. Hopefully I can get the picture frame for it. Really cute because it's like white on white. So I know you're like, we can't see it, but hopefully you can. Yeah, and I just hung up 3 of them. Really cute in the room. And that's just a basket. But let me step out and just show you what this deluxe room looks like. Who wouldn't want to sleep in here? It smells fresh. All you missing is a beautiful view. But I can do that for you. Alright guys, so a couple days later I actually hung up the chandelier. Look at it, it's beautiful. Alright guys, woo woo! Till next time, like, subscribe, join, watch some DIYs, watch some cooking, watch some talk, watch it all. No, for real, like, subscribe. Until next time, I'm going to have something amazing for y'all guys to look at. And I hopefully you like the room because I got plenty more projects to do. And this room not even complete because I need to hang the chandelier. And I have a whole nother side right here. It's like a little office mess. I'm going to show you how we're going to organize that next time. Alright guys, so I did hang up the chandelier. This is what it looks like when it's on and off. And I didn't forget, I actually went over by $32.98, but everything came out beautiful. So hey, what the heck? Do it on a dime on a budget.